What is the number one question on everyone's mind right now? It is, what is the best way to make money online in 2019? And the problem is everyone gets this wrong, right? People have shiny object syndrome. They jump from one thing to the next and they never actually stick with something long enough to make money with it. But luckily for you, I'm going to be breaking down in just 10 seconds inside of my computer a step-by-step tutorial of the best way to make money on the internet in 2019. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you.
Welcome into my screen. What we're gonna do right now is literally search just like some random product. Like let's just put sheet protector. I was just using this for some documents that I was looking at, right? So these sheet protectors are selling for, $12, $16, $20, $35 for some of these. We can literally find these exact same sheet protectors, right? Just a thin piece of plastic on the biggest manufacturer website in the world, which is Alibaba. And if we look right here, right, we can see these exact same sheet protectors, right? The ones that they're selling, literally right here, exact same. We see it's 0.005 cents per piece, right? So if you're buying it for 0.005 cents per piece and they're selling a bundle of them, for $13, $14, $15, even $35, right? Think about how much profit you're making. And I know there's people out there that are saying, Kevin, it's not this easy, right? But if it wasn't this easy, how would over 10,000 of my students have been through this program? Hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of success stories doing exactly this. Amazon was one of the first $1 trillion companies. Jeff Bezos was one of the richest people in the world, making over $215 million per day all of last year. How is he able to do that? The reason is because he is making hundreds of thousands of Amazon sellers rich, because this is an incredible opportunity. There's never been a better time to get started on Amazon. So you have two choices, right? You can be like most people and just watch this video, close it out, and move on the rest of your day, right? Going back to things exactly how they are and nothing will change. Or you can be the 1% of people and click the button somewhere on this screen and join our completely free training, where I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can start making money on Amazon selling simple, everyday products. And all you have to do is find them for cheaper in China on Alibaba and sell them on Amazon.com. You don't have to do any of the work yourself. You don't have to do any of the fulfillment yourself. Really, it is just that easy. You just have to have the knowledge and learn actually how to do it. So don't be like, the 99% of people who never take any action. Be the 1%, join our completely free training, and I'll see you on the training. And maybe you are gonna become my next biggest student success story. So I'll see you inside of the training.